Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, and we are up, y'all. It is 7:27 in the morning. Had to get up and get my daughter ready, and then I had to get up and get Legend ready because we are going to his school today. Well, Jermaine's going to his school today because he has a father and son's breakfast this morning. And since he's been a father figure for the last 5 years, I would be honored for him to take him. So, that's what we're doing this morning. Bay is not really feeling it at all. Because I told him yesterday that I won't want to take him. But then I was like, no, I'm going to go ahead and take him because I'm tired of making promises to my kids and don't do it. So I'm like, hey, I ain't doing nothing. You know, I do still got some business to handle today. But I can still take y'all. So that's what we heading out to do. Of course, I got to comb my hair. I got on this white shirt, these sweatpants, and then my shoes I wear all the time, my little Jesus shoes. And we're going to head on out. But let's get these teeth brushed and let's get ready. Yeah, so I'll see y'all guys probably in the car. You said what now? What? You come in here and look right in the camera. That's funny. That is too funny. You come in and look. We get in the camera. All right, y'all, we are here, as y'all can tell. I'm waiting for them to go in. Now, I don't know exactly son and father breakfast thing, how they doing it. We are like 15 minutes late. And that's because I left the house at like 8:45. I left the house at like 8:30, so it take like 30 minutes, almost 30 minutes to get up here. So yeah, they going to do the breakfast and son thing. I'm about to sit here and watch some YouTube because this truck is looking at me and it's kind of weird. But yeah, so that's what they're going to go do. I'm about to sit in this car and watch some YouTube for a little bit until they come out. And they shouldn't be in there that long because 8:07 now. It's from 8:40. It was from 7:45 to 8:45. So they should be out in like 30 minutes. And then, well, he should be out in 30 minutes. Legend going to class. Yeah, Legend going to class. And I'm going to sit in the car and watch some YouTube. This man is staring in my face. And it is weird as hell. Okay, sir, why you staring at me like that? But anyway, y'all, I'm finna go and watch me some YouTube and chill. So I'll talk to y'all guys later. Hey, babe. How was your experience? It was a lot of fathers in here. Like, I'm sorry, maybe.
Fathers, grandfather, stepdads.
Okay, just block me in.
Yeah, so they gonna keep them just that. Then we can go. We're sitting in the cafeteria. Kids.
Oh, okay, because I see some kids coming out and said, oh, mine ain't. He was still up in there. Hell no. He told me something. Oh, they can, we can go home. No, you can't go home.
No, some of them trying to go back, dog.
I know they were trying to. So what y'all eat? Like, what y'all was doing?
Dude see me hugging, was like, all right, boy, see me go. He's like, oh yeah, he said, I love that. That's good right there. I said, yeah.
He said what?
He's like, oh, I love to see stuff like that. He said, that's a good thing right there. That fathers hug their child and shit like that. And I was like, yeah. So that's cool.
Yeah.
He was talking to me like, yeah, good damn. So I was like, yeah.
All right, y'all. I stopped at Dunkin' and got me a drink. And now we're on our way back home. Well, not home technically because I got somewhere to stop. But I got that. And then I got a loaded hash brown. I'm trying to eat and drive, but babe, he ain't helping. He wants to pop the top open, stick the fork in for me, everything. He ain't no help.
That's all. That's dangerous.
Hey, pop that open. And they just fuck did they do? Open it up. Open it up. I can't get to it. Popos right here. I'm turning by Riverside anyway, so I don't mind. What you say, bro? We just gonna vlog. We just gonna vlog and let the vlog just roll. Why the hell I can just.
I should take a picture while we was in there like corner.
You should have. Why you take a picture, babe? But he said it was an okay experience. They just gave out biscuits and water. I can't do that. Biscuits and water. But he said it was a good experience. Well, for Legend anyway. Because Legend never had nobody do that for him, so.
Yeah, it was a treat for the son, man. Yeah, this would have been a long left ride up here. I bet that bitch sleep.
Queen, I missed your turn.
No, I'm not. That ain't know where you supposed to go. Follow that GPS and get his dick. No problem. Right there, let me know when we get to school. And I probably would have been waiting. Then I probably would have been waiting. Like, damn, I gotta wait for this motherfucker to come. Or they got one up here already somewhere.
Y'all fuck this up. So what?
Now I need something for the girl. Like, feel just like they used to. Push out the problems and shit like that.
Yeah, I fuck that up.
I used to wish when the mom shop around. That's long as they got money. I'm like, oh, I need that. Let me get this little merchandise.
I won't be able to go to none of my little things like that. You know.
One of them days.
My day was old. He won't walk through no school. That's the only thing that sucked about having a parent, a father that's old. My mom was old. My father that was old. He wouldn't ever do nothing. Couldn't do nothing. I mean, 50 not old, but by the time I got able to walk and stuff and talk and go places, he was already like 60. So. Yeah, so it wasn't fun for me. Little piece of. Yeah, stop right here and put it back. Ain't nothing but jalapeno cheese. Baby, only if you drunk coffee.
That's great. That dry ass biscuit in my mouth.
That bitch is dry.
That biscuit was dry as hell.
They probably would.
Tastes like a Hardy biscuit. Dry as hell.
Not all Hardy biscuits
Probably
is dry.
McDonald's biscuit. That shit was dry as hell.
Oh, they ain't having it in the wrapper? That's crazy work.
Don't like McDonald's, bro.
Yeah, probably McDonald's. That's crazy
That
work.
biscuit dry. That's why I don't like that biscuit.
Huh?
That biscuit be dry. That's why I don't like McDonald's.
Yeah, I don't like McDonald's biscuits either. The only biscuit I eat from McDonald's, the only biscuits I eat is like Hardy biscuits or stuff like that. 'Cause Hardy biscuits not dry. But they homemade. Well, not technically homemade, but technically homemade. So when I was working there, we made biscuits.
Depends on the open end.
Yeah, you gotta do it right. The measurements gotta be right. The biscuits gonna be hard. I ain't never make them. I just seen the old lady make them.
Yeah, we made it before because I wanted to learn every shift in that bitch.
That's how I was at Hardy. I want to learn the front, the back.
I started off as cook, real cook. Next time I was like, went up front, I just wanted to try it. I was just bringing it. And he was like, oh, you want to learn? I said, okay, you want to learn? I said, yeah. Started doing that, did drive through. Then I did biscuits one time, raisin biscuits and all that.
They brought back the raisin biscuit. I heard the raisin biscuit good. I ain't never had one.
There's some fucking little cinnamon raisin biscuits.
They say they good.
Jinko with them.
I never had them.
Wait till lunchtime, get my little discount, take my break, get my 2 burgers, fries, and a drink. That's it.
Yep, that's how I used to do.
Then you get tired of that, so I end up walking to Wendy's and come back and I'm like, yeah, I'm eating Wendy's. Shit.
Yeah, the one I was working at was way up there by the Hampton. What is that school called? Hampton. What the fuck is that? That college called Hampton University. Yeah, that's the one I was working at. Come on, y'all, what y'all got going on, bro?
Right here, New Market.
And that's crazy because that's still there. They need to bring back those smoked sausage biscuits. That's what the hell they need to bring back.
All that, dog. We're eating on all that. Hot dogs, roast beef sandwiches.
Smoked sausage biscuits. They took them bitches off the menu. They ain't been back since. They took them off before COVID, and they never came back.
That shit crazy. That was my first job.
My first job was nursing. PCA. That was my first job.
Last time I got 90.
Dang, man. It was old.
I don't know.
98,
I
he was what?
18.
18. And 98, he was 18.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I was 18, 98.
98, you were 18?
Yes, babe.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
You was
16.
more than 90, but I was 18.
Oh, yeah, we is 12 years apart, yeah. Yeah, I was 8. And you was 18. No, I was 7. I don't fucking know. I was somewhere around that age. I was 7. No, 6. I don't know fucking know.
I hate when that hard.
And you was already grown when I was still a baby. Damn. When I was still legend age. Damn.
That's how I met her age.
Damn, you old.
Goddamn.
Oh, y'all, I forgot I was vlogging. Hey, y'all, I'll be back. Good morning, y'all. Happy, what's today? What's today? Today, Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, y'all. Your girl phone had died yesterday when I was recording the rest of the door, so I did not get to show y'all the rest of the door. But I'm gonna show y'all the door and the kitchen because my phone was messing up in the kitchen. Then it died out here when I was trying to, like, it was a hot mess yesterday, y'all. But I was able to get everything done that I needed to get done. Yeah, yesterday was just a mess, y'all. I was trying to vlog and record, but this is how everything came out for the kitchen. Babe, even, as y'all seen the video, he wrapped the refrigerator too. I was like, babe, ain't nobody ever did wrap the refrigerator before, but he wrapped the whole refrigerator. And then I put my last bowl up there. And then, but y'all got, one thing I did get is a bunch of like behind the scenes of me filming. So if whatever I didn't catch in the video, y'all catch short form content because The girl was just rushing yesterday trying to do both videos. Babe blocking the camera, I'm blocking the camera. Y'all couldn't really see much, so just wait for the video to come out. But this is how the door is looking. My candy canes and my bulbs is rolling down the street. They just rolling. But that's how that turned out. So yeah, y'all, we got the house completely decorated. And the only thing I gotta do now is I still gotta add it like a wreath. I mean, not a wreath, but a garland around the door because it look kind of weird. It don't look right. So I'm gonna add some garland. I want to add lights too. They gonna put them up. I want to add garland and lights on the door, and I want to get something else to go on that door because it still look plain to me, y'all. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video because I have to get it up today. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. I hope y'all guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please hit that subscribe button, y'all. And please tap that like button because we almost there, y'all. We almost there. And I'll see y'all guys in the next video.